Ann and Jeff, Realty One Group, with another episode of Inspirada TV.
We are at 2146 Katesbridge. Toll Brothers build, pool home, an amazing location because Capriola Park's over there and Solista Park's just over there.
And it's on a cul-de-sac, and it is so private. It's amazing.
So what's really cool, because we were just talking as we were getting the key out, you only face this home here. And with this courtyard, it would be a whole separate outdoor living area. Imagine some outdoor furniture here, even a little fire pit thing. So I really like this. Let me pop video here.
Yeah.
I like this.
I'm very excited.
Tuscan looking opening, quite grand. You can set up your own bell tower in there. Have the kids come and ring it. I put the key back in, it's unlocked.
Okay. I'm like, wait, how do I get in? Oh, yeah. Oh,
so this one's $1,075,000. So right now there are only $1 million plus active homes in Inspirada right now.
This room is amazing. This is the dining room. I love the stone. The lighting is incredible.
I like this inlay carpet. I like that stone. Yeah.
Yeah, this is
even this
gorgeous.
Really nice.
Absolutely. I could do this. Yeah.
It's kind of cool. It goes through to this butler's pantry. But let us step around.
Yeah, let's go this way.
Check out the kitchen.
This was built in 2016, and it is 3,390 square foot, which is big.
It is almost 3,400 square feet.
You could fit the whole family here.
Oh, I like this kitchen.
Yeah, this is definitely gorgeous.
And this full bank of cabinets.
Wow.
And the butler's pantry,
amazing.
Double ovens,
yeah,
microwave, cooktop, 42-inch uppers.
Like if you like to entertain, this is the space for it. Wow. I love the tone of these cabinets, really.
I do too.
Yeah. And the washer, dryer, and refrigerator all do stay.
Yeah, let's look at this pantry too. Plenty of storage.
Oh yeah. Well, I mean, with the butler's pantry right here, like it's amazing.
I would just imagine you with your mixer and all that stuff. Put out
mixing it up.
Yeah, mixing it up. My brother would say, "Don't bring mix into this."
Yeah.
I really like this.
I really love this floor plan. It's very open, and you know, I mean, if you've got a family or you like to entertain, this is it.
I like the double bank of sliders, and that one folds into
lots of natural light, high ceilings, another
so it looks like
inlay.
8-foot doors, and this seems like 10-foot ceilings.
It's huge.
And we joked yesterday's video that 9-foot is good, but 10-foot's even better. You want to step outside to the back?
Yeah, you're going out that one.
Yeah, just because I love.
Yeah.
I love these.
I know.
Style
you
slider.
Can open it completely up. That's amazing.
So a little putting green.
Aw. Look at these beautiful trees.
Yeah, it feels.
I mean, you don't get that a lot here in the desert.
Yeah, I really like how much privacy, so that you have the 3 hedges, you have the hedges back there, and then these 3 trees really just kind of tie you into your own little world back here.
Yeah.
So full covered patio.
You got a kitchen out here.
Built-in barbecue. But wait till you see the pool.
Wow. This house was just made to entertain for real. You gonna open it? Oh, I didn't know if it was locked or something.
Yeah, so nice built-in barbecue, some drawers,
Oh,
little
wow.
fridge.
I love how they did the pool.
I know, I was super excited to see this.
This is amazing. And at first you go, oh, it's only a little pool. But then you go, no, it's not. It's a super giant pool.
Yeah,
this is gorgeous.
This is really big right here.
Yeah. Waterfall, hot tub.
Yeah, so there's probably two waterfalls out of each one of those. Really nice pavers. And look how big that hot tub is.
Yeah. You can put all your friends in there.
Mm-hmm. So I also show you we're right here on the edge. And right down there will be Capriola Park. And if you've been thinking about a home in Henderson, they like to call this West Henderson, where Inspirada is. But we would really encourage you to explore everything that Inspirada has to offer. It's been close to a 20-year build out here. And this area is one of the earlier portions, which puts you closer to Solista Park, where you have the farmers market every other weekend. You have Romano's Italian restaurant there, gelato. You know, there's so much more to Inspirada, and we're about to post a lot of my Inspirada stories where we've interviewed people to have them tell us what they love about living in Inspirada. So please explore our site.
Wow.
See?
That was incredible.
Pretty easy.
Super easy. Super easy.
And I kind of like that this is a little understated. You know, it kind of feels sweet. Okay. So laundry room.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Nice cabinets. And you said we stay. So 3-car garage. Plenty of storage.
Epoxy flooring.
Has an EV charger, tankless water heater.
Woo, all the bells and whistles.
Yeah. Dual garage door openers. High ceilings.
And you know, I love the windows in the garage.
Let's head upstairs, check out the loft. So I really like this staircase.
Did you get this? This is the half bath here.
Half bath.
Half. Just half. Coat closet. Oh, it's big. I didn't expect that. And they have built-in cubbies.
So a little wear on
flooring.
these pieces here, but
Yeah.
it'd be pretty easy to refinish those.
Yeah.
Have it looking stellar. I like how wide these stairs are and how open.
I always love the wrought iron on the stairs. I think it's just so pretty.
And timeless. It reminds me of our house in Tuscany with this.
Yeah, for sure. It's got all the window treatments. Blinds are gorgeous. They're really thick.
So 9-foot ceilings up, 10-foot ceilings down. Has some surround sound already built in, but it's like a double.
This is amazing.
This
Look
loft
at this.
is really
like
cool.
You have office area over here. You have area over there. You've got space over here. It's huge.
Pool table area, fun area.
It's amazing. Surround sound. Great looking bathroom. Yep. Wow, this is big.
Oh, that's quite funky.
Yeah, I like that.
And really generous sized bedrooms.
Yeah, very.
I kind of think this is probably a 14 by 16
Wow, this is
bedroom.
big.
This,
Yeah. These are great sized bedrooms. Look at this, another bath.
yeah.
This is huge. I love the doors.
Dueling sinks. All right. Okay.
Great floor plan. And I think the primary is
Downstairs.
down.
Yeah, this, you know, if this is really a home that you could have with a large family and stay in it even as you get older and if you don't want to do stairs. So yes, downstairs primary. I've always loved these entries when you go into it and splits to the bath.
I love this.
You know, we'll finish up in the bath.
Yeah. I want to see the space. I love it. And you get so much great shade. And I mean, if you live here in the desert, you know that that's a great thing because it gets so hot in the summer. It's gorgeous.
A separate water closet. Step in.
Ooh, big storage. What is that?
So
Closet. With built-ins.
Some nice built-ins.
Nice.
Separate tub, shower.
Combo.
Again, dueling sinks. They're fighting it out. Well, as always, Jeff and Leanne Mix, Realty One Group, homesandinspirada.com. Our website has every listing from every brokerage. No need to search multiple sites. Leanne and I have been licensed 20 years. If you want to see this property, just let us know. We live in Inspirada, and we would be happy to meet you out here. Thanks for watching.